For Lesson 5, we'll be doing lists. Lists store things in order, and order is crucial. It's like having the best golf courses lined up one after the other, just perfect. They can hold all kinds of things, even other lists. It's like having a luxurious tower with many floors, each one better than the last. You can add or remove things easily, making them very flexible. It's like negotiating a great deal. You have to adapt, slicing and dicing. You can grab parts of the list quickly, like a master chef cutting a steak at Mar-A-Lago. Iterating through a list is a piece of cake, like going through my many accomplishments as president. It's easy and efficient. So there you have it, the reasons why lists are so important in Python. They're versatile, ordered, and easy to use, just like I am when making America great again. 1. We start by creating a list of my incredible properties: Trump Tower, Mumbai, Trump International Golf, Scotland, and Trump International Hotel and Tower, New York. These are the best properties, believe me. 2. Then we use some amazing list methods to add a Trump winery, insert a Trump casino at the second position, remove the casino, and take off the last item from the list. We even reverse the list's order for some extra excitement. 3. To access the top properties, we use list indexing. We get the first item, which is always fantastic, and the last item, which is also incredible, no doubt about it. 4. We do some slicing, just like when you slice a delicious Trump steak. We grab the first 2 items and the last 2 items because they're all simply the best. 5. Finally, we sort the properties like a true leader. We create a new sorted list with all the fantastic items and also sort the original list in place, making it even better. So this code is all about creating and managing a list of my luxurious properties in Python, showcasing the greatness of my empire. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more. And check out the next lesson in this Python tutorial series. It really helps.